Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and other videos. So today I am making mustard greens with butter, which is a very tasty and special winter recipe. Everyone loves to eat mustard greens. And today I am going to make mustard greens in my own in some special way. There are also some special things to put it in. So you must watch this video in full and you must also subscribe to the channel. Now I'll start making our today's mustard greens recipe. So the first thing I have here is 2 kg of greens that I have cut. Here I have half a kg of fenugreek. I will cut it. And here I have a kg of spinach. I am cutting it too. Now I have chopped spinach, greens and fenugreek. And I have a slice of chopped onion, garlic, 6 green chilies and 6 red chilies. So first I put the water in a steel pan to heat it and I will let it heat up. After the water is hot, I will wash the spinach, greens, fenugreek thoroughly. And I am putting everything in it. Now I am going to put all the spices in it. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt to taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, a teaspoon of turmeric, and now I will mix all these things well. I will cook the greens and all these things for as long as their water dried up. The water of the greens is quite dry, but now we will let it cook more so that its water is more dry. The water has dried up and we have to dry it so that it is well ground. Now I am going to grind the greens. So first I will take the greens in a spoon and put it in the grinder to grind it. And we have to put as much greens in the grinder as it can easily grind. After putting the greens in the grinder, I am grinding it. When the greens are ground, I take them out in a non-stick pan. And I will grind the rest of the greens in the same way and put them in the pan. We have to grind the greens finely so that when they are cooked, they also taste good. As I grind the greens, I will continue to cook them in the pan to make them more dry. All greens are well dried. After that, I will put some amount of flour in it, because adding flour will make the greens more delicious and it will taste very good in food. Now I will keep mixing the greens and flour well for so long so that the flour tastes good. On the other side of the stove, I was pouring oil into the pot to make the greens simmer. In the oil, add ginger, garlic, red chilies, and a little cumin. I will let it fry for a while until it has a light brown color. Until then, I will mash the greens well. All of these items are well ventilated and have a light brown color. Now I am putting greens in it to add greens. When putting greens in oil, hands should be completely dry so that oil splashes do not fall on them. I will mix it well by putting it in oil. After mixing it, I will put the rest of the greens in the oil. And I will have the greens for about 5 minutes. So mashallah, our today's mustard greens and butter recipe is ready. You will definitely try it too. Inshallah, you will love this mustard greens recipe. And how did you like today's video? You must tell me in the comment section. You must like, share the video, subscribe the channel so that more upcoming videos can easily reach you people. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will definitely wait for my next video. I will definitely remember in my prayers. Allah Hafiz.